Where's my eyes, Shosh? Eyes? Yes. Where's your nose? Where's your mouth? Where's your ear? Good girl. Where's your hair? Your hair? Yes. Good job. And where's your belly? Yes. Can you say, oh man? No, Dad. I'm not going to say it. Oh. Can you say Baba?
Baba.
Can you say llama? Uh-oh, what are you going to do with that? Is that Applejack? Oh, you are doing stuff with it. Can you say Applejack? Good girl.
Who knew?
Shoshana. Who's this?
Jellyfish.
Say your bear.
Who has gorilla? Who has gorilla? Who has octopus? Who has gorilla? Who has 10 jellyfish? Who's a newt?